Hi, I'm Jen from Gorilla Glue, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks are incredibly tough and versatile and provide a long-term hold on hard-to-bond surfaces. These hot glue sticks work in both high and low temperature glue guns. Use the low temperature for delicate materials and the high temperature for strong bonding. The clear adhesive features an extended working time of 45 seconds for added convenience on all types of projects. Keep your projects safe from seasonal temperature swings. Gorilla Hot Glue is also weather resistant and 5 times more durable than the leading hot glue sticks. Using Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks is easy. Just follow these instructions. Insert your glue stick into your glue gun and decide what temperature should be used. We recommend testing the product before its intended use. The working time is dependent on the amount of glue applied and the temperature of the glue gun. Then, wait for the glue and gun to heat up to the desired temperature. Once it has reached the appropriate level, apply the glue to your project. After you've finished your project, store the glue sticks in a cool, dry location. If cleanup is necessary, wait for the glue to cool, then scrape it off. Gorilla Hot Glue comes in both full-size and mini sticks, which differ by diameter. The stick size you will need will be indicated on your hot glue gun. Each of those sizes comes in a 4-inch and an 8-inch length. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Gorilla Tough tips and project ideas.